Hanwha Vision's OnCloud stores motion and AI analytics events captured by connected camera devices. These events are organized in a searchable library in the Events dashboard. Go to the Events dashboard by clicking Events in OnCloud's navigation bar. Events can be filtered by location, area, device name, event type, and by specific analytics data. Users can search for events using a calendar search. The calendar search can be done using a single day or date range. The search can be further narrowed using a time range. Users can also search for events using OnCloud's natural language search function. The natural language search function allows users to easily input specific search parameters without using a particular set of syntax or rules. Events are easy to identify at a glance, with each one providing a video snapshot, the event type, the camera's name, and the camera's location and area. Clicking on an event will take you to the video clip associated with that event. When viewing a video clip, you can return to the Events dashboard by clicking Close. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.